Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes A-Class. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. In the beginning, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here we've got the first lever, thanks to which we can change seat height. Here we've got the second lever, thanks to which we can lower and rise the whole seat. Right here we've got the lever, thanks to which we can change seat distance. And here we've got the lever, thanks to which we can fold the seat. In the end, we've got levers right here, thanks to which we can change feeling of back of the seat. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.